This is a message for anyone who wants to get grills. Don't. I just got mine done just now and it's stuck on my fucking tooth. This shit is not coming off. I need to get my Uber. Make sure it's at the dentist.
Have I ever taken a grill that's stuck in someone's mouth out? No.
Haha! Yes! Success! I throw that shit in the bin.
Oh my god.
Stop hurting your pockets and then coming back and saying, oh, I went and done this. That's like you buying the wrong pair of jeans and then you buy the right pair of jeans but you don't refund the wrong pair, and then you come and complain saying, oh, I bought the wrong pair of jeans and I got these two. We can put it together. It's going to be overcomplicated for you and you're going to give yourself headache and you're going to call my phone or my manager's phone talking about, look what you guys did to me. No, in reality, is look what you did to yourself.
Thank you, Ali.
Your votes were welcome.